Python program, 20% growth projection in INR for schools. The forecast for 2024, 2025, and 2026 is derived from the 2023 data. Note, Power of AI Engine and Python program. Location ledger received amount. Hyderabad schools 91,999.00. Delhi schools 777,777.00. Chennai schools 89,899.00. Calcutta schools 110,000.00. Bombay schools 110,000.00. Bangalore schools 114,100.00. Hyderabad teacher as student 7,500.00. Delhi teacher as student 12,500.00. Chennai teacher as student 9,000.00. Bangalore teacher as student 10133999.00. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AIDNN architect. Explanation of the Python program. The program defines a list of dictionaries called data_2023 that stores information about the amount spent on different ledgers in various locations in the year 2023. Each dictionary in the list has three key value pairs. Location, this specifies the city or region where the expense was incurred. Ledger, this indicates the category of expense, such as schools or teacher as student. Amount, this is the numerical value representing the amount spent on that particular ledger in that location. The program then defines a variable called growth_rate that represents the annual growth rate, 20% in this case. The calculate_growth_projection function takes two arguments, data, the list of dictionaries, and growth_rate, the annual growth rate. The function iterates through each entry in the data list and filters out entries that are not related to the school's ledger. For the entries related to schools, it calculates the forecasted amounts for the next 3 years, 2024, 2025, and 2026, by applying the growth rate to the 2023 amount. Finally, it prints the location, ledger, and forecasted amounts for each year. The program calls the calculate_growth_projection function with the data_2023 list and the growth_rate variable. This generates the output that shows the forecasted amounts for the school's ledger in each location for the years 2024, 2025, and 2026. In essence, this program is a simple financial forecasting tool that predicts future expenses based on historical data and a specified growth rate. It helps estimate the expected budget for a particular category, schools in this case, in different locations over the next few years. Result. Location, Hyderabad, ledger, schools. 2024 forecasted amount, INR 110,398.80. 2025 forecasted amount, INR 132,478.56. 2026 forecasted amount, INR 158,974.27. Location, Delhi, ledger, schools. 2024 forecasted amount, INR 933,332.40. 2025 forecasted amount, INR 1119998.88. 2026 forecasted amount, INR 1343998.66. Location, Chennai, ledger, schools. 2024 forecasted amount, INR 107,878.80. 2025 forecasted amount, INR 129,454.56. 2026 forecasted amount, INR 155,345.47. Location, Calcutta, ledger, schools. 2024 forecasted amount, INR 132,000.00. 2025 forecasted amount, INR 158,400.00. 2026 forecasted amount, INR 190,080.00. Location, Bombay, ledger, schools. 2024 forecasted amount, INR 132,000.00. 2025 forecasted amount, INR 158,400.00. 2026 forecasted amount, INR 190,080.00. Location, Bangalore, ledger, schools. 2024 forecasted amount, INR 136,920.00. 2025 forecasted amount, INR 164,304.00. 2026 forecasted amount, INR 197,164.80. Hashtag audit. The image you've uploaded is a bar graph titled Location-wise forecasted amount. It compares the forecasted amounts for three different locations: Hyderabad, Delhi, and Chennai over 3 years, 2024, 2025, and 2026. Here's a detailed breakdown. Hyderabad is represented in blue, Delhi in orange, and Chennai in gray. The y-axis shows the forecasted amount ranging from 0 to 1,400,000. The x-axis lists the years 2024, 2025, and 2026, with corresponding forecasted amounts for each location. There is a significant increase in the forecasted amount for Delhi in 2026, which is the highest among the three locations and is highlighted with an annotation box pointing to this peak. The exact figure for Delhi in 2026 is approximately 1,344,998.66. The graph also indicates that more data can be viewed by navigating left or right, as suggested by two arrows below the graph. This type of graph is useful for visualizing and comparing data across different categories and time periods, making it easier to spot trends and patterns. In this case, it seems that Delhi is expected to have a substantial increase in the forecasted amount by 2026. The image you've shared is a bar graph with the title Location-wise forecasted amount, 2024 to 2026. It provides a visual representation of forecasted financial amounts for three cities: Calcutta, Bombay, and Bangalore over the years 2024 to 2026. Here's a detailed explanation. Calcutta is represented with blue bars, Bombay with orange, and Bangalore with purple. The y-axis is labeled forecasted amount and ranges from 0 to 1,200,000, increasing in increments of 200,000. The x-axis lists the years 2024, 2025, and 2026 under each city's name, showing the forecasted amounts for each year. The bars for each city are shaded differently to represent different years, with lighter shades for earlier years, 2024, and darker shades for later years, 2026. There's an annotation on the bar for Calcutta in the year 2026, indicating a forecasted amount of 190,080. The legend in the bottom left corner helps to understand the color coding of the bars according to the years. This graph is a common tool used in financial and statistical analysis to compare data across different categories and time frames, allowing for easy identification of trends and growth patterns. In this case, it seems that the forecasted amounts for each city are being compared across 3 years to aid in financial planning or analysis. The specific annotation on Calcutta's 2026 bar suggests that this data point might be of particular interest or significance. Thanks.